All right then. So now let's go ahead and start writing the code for deleting the action. So what I'm going to do is, so let's get into the service first. Just exactly the same way. Export const delete blog by id equals to asynchronous method. Get the id as a string type. Of course, we need the id and open the function. Then inside here, return prisma dot blog dot delete, open it, then open the curly brackets, use the var operator and supply the id prop. That's it, just simple as that. That's the beauty of using the Prisma, which makes our life easier. Then let's get back into the block controller, and inside the block controller now we need to write the controller to delete it. So export const delete block by id handler equals to asynchronous method, which is going to have the request and the response callback function. Now inside here, over here, just like the same way we used to fetch the id from where, from the request dot params, then using the try and catch. So let's go ahead and copy this and paste it over here, and literally I'm just going to delete everything inside the try block to keep it simple as that. Okay, now first I need to delete the post. So const delete blog const delete blog is equals to await delete blog by id, open it, supply the id inside. If it does not have the deleted blog informations, no, whatever the object which is returned by the MongoDB, if it doesn't have that, return the status as 404.json, open it using the dynamic string literals, and here I'm just going to say error blog not found, something like that. If it does, then I'm just going to say return response.status as 200.json, and I'm just going to send the message as blog removed or deleted or something like that. Okay, this is going to be the handler, which is quite easier. Now all we have to do is to go ahead and configure our route, copy this and paste it. Instead of put, this time it's going to be delete. Instead of update, this time it's going to be delete handler. Save the changes, stop the server, clear it, rerun it, and let's get back over here. And let's make sure the same id, yes, same id, and let's make sure delete it. So let's check it out, try something with a different id, send it. It's getting an internal server error, model record does not exist. See, the record doesn't even exist over there. 7, hit the send option, and it's showing blog removed. Now if you simply remove this and change everything into get and hit the send option, so 88 is there, 89 is there, and 8a is there, 8b is there, 87 is not there. Look at that, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Previously I inserted 5 different records. See, 87, this is the one which we deleted. Now if I refresh it, we don't have that record anymore. So we successfully integrated the CRUD APIs, create, read, update, delete and get. So we finished that operations and we created ourselves the responsive RESTful APIs to do all those actions. And this is the most optimistic way to create your services and handlers and routes and everything, managing it in a separate place. So even if you're working for different functionalities for forum or for user, all you have to do is to separate service, routes and controllers, and you can manage all those actions separately, right? So I hope you enjoyed this session. throughout. If you're having any questions, leave your questions. I'm happy to help you out. All right, and you can access this document. Just click the link and you can access this code and everything. Just click the link from there.